Okay, this butternut pumpkin and sweet potato soup is on rotation in my kitchen, and for a good reason. It's super simple, and it's also one of those clean out the fridge vegetable soups that you can make for meal prep. It's great for the freezer. It's vegan friendly, gluten free. It's super healthy and it is very delicious. My mother-in-law loves this soup, so I get extra bonus points. And you only need a handful of ingredients. Unlike just sort of regular butternut pumpkin soups, it also has celery, onions, and sweet potato, which I think adds a little bit of extra sweetness and body to the soup. It's lightly spiced, has a little bit of mild curry powder, which, trust me, really works in this whole flavor combination. A little bit of lemon zest and juice to brighten things up. And then it's just vegetable stock or chicken stock. I actually use both because I'm not strictly vegetarian, but you can use whatever you like. Once it's cooked, you can process it in a high-speed blender. I use an immersion stick blender, and then just taste it for seasoning. I don't need to add anything else normally. I don't add cream or cheese, but you can if you like. It's velvety and creamy as is, super delicious. Some fresh herbs on top. I like to serve with some croutons or some sourdough bread. I hope you enjoyed.
So simple, but so good.